So our rating that is 1063 ground 43.
Just past 30.
Okay, we're speed traffic. I'm getting up behind him.
There we go, that's all.
Taking 40 east.
Temple 40 east.
Hey, guards, I'll catch up to you.
TVI, Spring Hill.
Hands up!
Get your fucking hands up! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Hands up! On the ground! Get your fucking hands up! Now! Get on the ground! Crawl to it! Crawl! Crawl! All this way! Crawl! All this way! You better crawl! I will fuck you up! Crawl! Down! Arms out to the side! Arms out to the side! Put your hands! Hands right back! You gonna be aggressive. They trying to take everything from me, sir. Please, I got a jar in there. Look, chill out. Chill out. I'll tell you everything I understand. You can call me for it and everything. I can, sir. I've got nothing but a jar of weed in there, and I'm being as honest as I promised to the cage. Yes, sir. I'm sorry for doing some rules you got to me. Please, don't harm me. I don't want no harm. I've already been in jail for no reason. That's my mother card. I really want to cut the weed. I got a jar of weed in there, and that's it. That's it. Did you find anything else? It's whoever stole this car from you. Yes, sir. You hurt? Yes, sir. Where you hurt at? I get hurt every time y'all arrest me for no reason. Like you didn't get hurt this time. All we did is make you crawl on the ground. Yeah, I wasn't trying to be no aggressive, no run for y'all or nothing. I had to understand what the hell was going on. And that's well, you ran. That's why you got kitted out. But the thing was, I got to listen. I'm telling you ahead of time now before you even get mad. No, listen to me real quick. Listen to me real quick, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Listen, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you do or say can and will be held against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, will be appointed to you by the courts. Do you understand your rights? You can take everything in the car. I got a jar of weed in there and everything. I'm not running from y'all in a minute. You were running from us. You see where your car's at right now? $100 I can. You ran from us. No. All right, let's put me in there. I want to be on anything I can, like I've been doing. Y'all arrested me. You got an ID on you? Let's say they took it for no reason. Who did? The Jacksonville officer. It's like a damn. Yeah, I only got weed in there. That's it. It's in that jar right there in my PlayStation. But it's like a. Yes, sir. It's like a goddamn. What's after Rico? What's after Rico? It's like a. Because the police is involved as well, sir. That's why I'm panicking and shit. I just couldn't get the damn paperwork together. I done just let my mama ain't get the grief and nothing. I come with the guy, I'm not running for no shit or nothing. I got a whole jar of weed in there. And I'm being as under as I can. Do me a favor and quit saying you weren't running from us. I wouldn't. That's why I told you I had the weed. That's why exactly why I told you I had the damn weed. And if I got you to that's all I'm just honest as hell this car. Have a seat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, I want to raise my time and fight enough. You're good. I promise. Just don't hold me. All right.
in there. That's all I keep saying. I ain't running.
I did, yeah.